Hey there, Claire Maxwell here at Embodied Learning Systems. I am so honored to be teaching a 3-hour afternoon business development workshop through ISMETA, which is an incredible organization. They've been offering support, education, and professional development to different forms of somatic work for 37 years. And we're going to be doing this workshop to help you jump over the hurdles. If you're a somatic therapist, somatic practitioner, maybe you've been in business for a while. Maybe you need to grow your business. Maybe you're dreaming of kind of breaking out on your own. You've been in a job or working for a larger company and you want to go out on your own and you're ready to do that. This workshop is going to help you jump over some of the hurdles that I see people getting stuck on when they try to work alone. So you don't have to do a 6-month mastermind group to jump over some of these hurdles. You just need a little community support. So here's what I'm seeing, and you tell me in the comments below if you have been struggling with these things. So first off, I hear a lot of people just saying, I need to earn more money. And what I would like to say is that the best way to get off this capitalist gerbil wheel of just more money is going to solve all my problems is actually to get more granular about your finances. So in the workshop, we're going to look at what you're currently earning, but we're also going to look at what you need to thrive, and we're going to kind of encourage each other to claim some of our deeper needs that we may not be meeting in our business. You do need to identify a core audience. I see so many practitioners struggling with this, and I have too. What is your niche? Just makes you want to blow your brains out. It's actually not that hard. And it doesn't mean you do need to choose one, but it doesn't mean you need to compromise on your passion and your vision. If you can articulate your passion and your vision to one particular audience, it's much more likely that you're going to reach larger audiences in the future. So we're going to do some meditations and some work on that. And then the last thing I'd like to say is that practical business building skills are not rocket science, but they are work. I hear a lot of people saying, it's just too much work. I'm just going to take this job, or I'm just going to stay where I am. And I just want you to know it's true. It is work. But once you learn how to do the work clearly and intentionally, and you get a little bit of support, and you get off and running, there is a momentum and it gets easier. And I don't want you to clamp down on your vision because you're scared of the work you might have to do. Doing it with a little bit of community support can get you over that initial hump, because there is a lot of very detailed and granular research you need to do. We're going to get into all of that in the workshop. I hope you'll come. You can check out the links below. ISMETA offers a lot of professional development in addition to this workshop. Please come and join us May 17th. 3 hours on a Saturday afternoon. You'll leave with 3 powerful actions that you can do to move your business forward. Thanks for watching. Peace.